Hi guys, you're welcome. This is Tini Kayo. I'm really happy you follow up to this level. Sorry if I'm just handling you to this particular stage, but I just have to take you right from this step. I know most people must have gotten this full understanding, but let's take it from here. This is a fresh MetaTrader 5 account. If you're using MetaTrader 4, it's fine. It's still the same thing. You get it? So there might just be a little bit differences between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but they are still functioning for Forex trading. This is a demo account. Because I want it to be as fresh as possible so that there will not be any setup from me. So I just want to quickly take you through the interface because of the fresh guys on it. Okay, now this is MetaTrader 5. These are symbols. I must have taught you currency pairs, every other thing, a lot of markets. These are what you can trade. This is Euro/USD, this is pound/USD, this is USD/CHF, every other thing. But in case if the market you want to trade is not there, you can easily come to this particular place, where they write enter symbol. Don't forget we are under these codes. So click on this, enter, then click on, if it is metals, you understand metals. I'm sure I must have taught you metals and indices, every other one. So just click on metal. Let me say I want to add up gold. Now gold is AUX/USD. So you click on metal, you can see, okay, I've added the gold already. So these are some other things. This is AUX/AUD. I've added the gold already. So you can just add any other market that is not there. You can just add it up. You can just add them up. By the time you add them up and you go back, you must have seen them under your codes. All you just need to do is return back to the main place. You can see now that they have increased. New markets are there. Now let's come to this other place that is called chart. What are the things that you are going to meet there? These are candlesticks. As time goes on, I will take you to the place where you understand how to read all these charts. They all have meaning. You can zoom it in, you can zoom in, and you can zoom out. When you zoom in, each of these candles, they have the meaning. They have their meanings. You can see them. They have their meanings. Now, they stand for some things. Look at it now. When you look at this edge, look at this left place. See W1. That W1 means 1 week. So that means each candle stands for a week. Let me click on it now. I can change it. This M1 stands for 1 minute. M5 stands for 5 minutes. When I want to change it to 1 hour, immediately I click to H1. That means each of these candles stand for what? Stand for 1 hour. So presently now I'm in today's chart. Look at this particular one now. This last chart now is talking about the current market condition of this particular Euro versus USD. That is Euro versus US dollar. You can see now, this is the last candle. Immediately we move to another minute now. Immediately we move to another hour. It will shift to another, it will turn up to another one. Let me just click on it now. Let me put it on 5 minutes or 1 minute now. Just, can you see now? You see the trend moving, you see the something moving. So immediately we move to another minute, we will shift to another candle. To shift to another candle. How to read this candle, you are going to learn it. Don't worry. Or even though you might not want to start using your own particular money, you can still be using your own demo account to do whatever you want to do. So I just want to take you through the interface. Now, when you come, you are under chart now. Now, let's move to all these indicators, every other thing. You will understand the meaning, but I don't want to get it complicated for you. Now, let's move to look at this base. Now, come to this base. Click on trade. When you click on trade, I told you already that this is demo account. This is demo account. If it's your real account, the amount that you deposit there will be on that balance. As time goes on, you understand the meaning of equity, free margin. I don't want to complicate things. I just want you to understand the slow concept of what MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 is. So this is it now. This is trade. When you want any trade that you carry out will show up in this place. You can see history. Under this history will show all the all the trade you have executed, either profits or loss. Everything will be there. And these settings also, you can click on settings to do whatever you want to do. Let me say I want to add up my XNES account now. I'm making use of XNES. Let me say I want to add up my XNES account. So I'll come under these settings, then I'll click on new account. When I click on new account, it said brokers, enter company or server's name. So I'll click on this place, type the name of your broker, but mine is XNES because they are the best, and I will recommend that for you. I will tell you the reason on that. Then when you type XNES and you send it, you see there are a lot of what do we call it, depending on the type of Xness that you open, you will see it there. So whatever one, which one it is, let me say my own is Xness UK Limited. So I click on it. I'll click on it. Then under this login, you will have your login when you register with Xness. Type in that login that they give to you. They will send it to your Gmail. Then type in your password. Then click on login. It will bring in your account with the amount that you have deposited in it, and now you can now be using that amount to trade. But I won't advise you as a beginner to use your real money to start trading unless you have a sure signal. Do you get it? Now let's come to, let's start from here first. Let's stop your phone. I think by now you must have gotten good understandings of what MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 is. Thank you.